Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got Smith Corona Sterling here that was sold to me as a completely working machine. Just needed a ribbon. I'm now on my 6th repair on this, I think. So all these keys were sticking in multiple ways and links off multiple letters, but I think I've got them all. Oops, they're not all functioning right. Still some issues here, but I'm going to still work on that some more. Of course, the link was bent over here on this one. The bracket was wrong over here, causing this cover not to line up right. The backspace was binding with the shift assembly, and now it doesn't return, it doesn't index. I'm like, you know, I just barely started with this. There's 5 things wrong with it. Working machine. I do think this is just sticking over here, just a sticky part. Let's just see what happens when I put some mica thinner on that toss. So see, it's just not dropping, I think. So I think a little bit of, oops, I think I'm out. Get my backup bottle here. Put a little bit right here in this pivot. There it goes. That's it, but that's just the way it is when you buy a machine that's supposed to be working that's 50 years old. Somebody who doesn't know anything about typewriters, I guess. But that should fix it right there. Degreased it, air blow out, and a little bit of lubrication right there. Oops, just a little bit. Let's try line space 3. Yep. Okay. Off to find my next repair on this. That's a pretty nice typewriter. These are nice typewriters. Smith Corona Sterling. We will get this working. PhoenixTypewriter.com.